Welcome to Human Truths TV Insight, the channel that takes you on a journey to discover the depths of the human being, their body, their complexities, and their soul. In our modern world, sleep has become a luxury. We shorten its hours to increase our working hours. We call ourselves night owls. And we take pride in our lack of sleep. We consider sleep to be dead time, an empty period in our busy day. But what if I told you that sleep is not empty time? What if deep sleep is the busiest and most important time of your day? Today, we will reveal to you a secret of creation. The secret of deep sleep, that mysterious stage in which our bodies transform into advanced repair factories. We will discuss how your deep sleep tonight might be the reason you are protected from cancer tomorrow, and how it preserves your youth, and even repairs your DNA. Yes, deep sleep is the sacred time when your cells repair the code of your life, your DNA. Let us dive together into this astonishing world. Part 1. What is deep sleep? To understand the importance of deep sleep, we must first understand that sleep is not a static state. Rather, it is a journey, a complete cycle you go through every night. When you fall asleep, you enter non-REM sleep, which is divided into 3 stages, followed by the REM stage where we dream. But the third stage is what we call deep sleep or slow wave sleep. In this stage, your body temperature drops, your heart rate and breathing slow to their lowest levels. Your muscles are completely relaxed. It becomes very difficult to wake you up. But beneath this apparent stillness, wonders occur, because the brain waves in this stage are not fast and choppy as they are during wakefulness, but rather slow, high-amplitude waves, akin to deep rhythmic drum beats. These beats are not just random electrical activity. They are coordinating signals, calls issued by the brain to the rest of the body's organs to say, "Maintenance time has begun. Turn off the engines, open the repair shops." Deep sleep is the gateway to physical maintenance, and it is also the true hero of our story today. The time for DNA repair. Part 2. DNA and the problem of daily damage. Let's talk a little about deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA. This unique molecule resides in the nucleus of every cell in your body. It is the blueprint for your entire body, the source code of your life. But this precious blueprint is under constant attack. Every day, every hour, every moment, your cells are exposed to factors that cause DNA damage. Where does this damage come from? 1. From inside your body. When you breathe, your cells produce molecules called free radicals as a natural byproduct of metabolism. These radicals are like tiny fireballs that collide with the DNA strand, causing breaks. 2. From outside your body. Ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Other radiation, pollution, chemicals in food and air, and even psychological stress all cause cumulative damage to DNA. Imagine DNA as a very long string of beads, each bead representing a piece of genetic information. This damage means a break in the chain, or the replacement of a bead with an incorrect one. Some astonishing statistics. Research indicates that every cell in your body experiences thousands to tens of thousands of DNA lesions every single day. If these injuries are left unrepaired, they accumulate. Over time, this can lead to cancer due to mutations in genes responsible for cell division. Premature aging, because damaged cells don't function efficiently and die earlier. Autoimmune and neurodegenerative diseases. So, there is a dilemma. Every day, the code of our life is damaged. How do we stay alive then? The answer is that you have a superpowered maintenance team that works day and night. But it works with maximum efficiency only at night. Part 3. The amazing relationship, how deep sleep repairs DNA. And here we come to the heart of the matter. What is the relationship between deep sleep and DNA repair? The relationship revolves around a key protein named PARP1, which we can call the quality inspector, or the guardian of DNA. All day long, while you are awake, the PARP1 protein patrols the nucleus. It looks for breaks and damage in the DNA. When it finds damage, it places a marker on it to say, "Problem here, come fix this." But during wakefulness, the body is busy. The brain is processing information. Muscles are moving. Digestion is working. Energy is limited. Most importantly, the very process of being awake produces new free radicals, creating even more damage. It's a losing battle. It's like trying to repair a house while the hurricane is still ongoing. But when you enter deep sleep, two crucial things happen. First, reduced energy demand. In deep sleep, neuronal activity decreases significantly. This means the brain, which consumes 20% of the body's energy, dramatically cuts its energy consumption. The energy that was used for thinking and movement now becomes available for maintenance work. Second, decreased free radical production. With reduced metabolic activity, the production of free radicals decreases. The hurricane stops. The environment inside the cell becomes calm. In this nocturnal calm, the activity of PARP1 increases significantly. It is like a project manager who waits for the workers to leave, i.e., for cells to stop their wakeful activities, so that he and the maintenance crew can begin the real work. PARP1 summons specialized repair teams. Teams to repair double-strand breaks. Teams to replace damaged nitrogenous bases. These teams work throughout the night, using the available energy to rebuild damaged DNA, correct errors, and strengthen broken strands. A study published in the journal Nature Cell Biology demonstrated that sleep increases the activity of DNA repair mechanisms, and that sleep deprivation leads to rapid accumulation of damage and neuronal death. Simply put, deep sleep is what prevents the accumulation of cancerous mutations. It's what keeps your brain young, and it's what delays aging at the cellular level. Before we continue our journey into the depths of sleep and reveal to you additional secrets on how to enhance this superpowered process, if you are someone who appreciates this type of deep content, which explores human truths from both a scientific and spiritual perspective, we politely and kindly invite you to subscribe to our channel, Human Truths TV Insight. Just click the subscribe button and activate the notification bell to join us on every new journey towards a deeper understanding of the human being. Now back to our topic. Part 4. How to ensure you get deep sleep that repairs your DNA. If deep sleep is the repair factory, how can we ensure our factory operates efficiently every night? How can we prepare ourselves for true deep sleep? Here are tips based on neuroscience principles. First, consistent schedule. The secret to success. The greatest secret to deep sleep isn't just how much you sleep, but when you sleep, your body operates on a circadian rhythm, a biological clock. If you go to sleep and wake up at the same time every day, even on holidays, you train your brain when to start releasing sleep hormones like melatonin, and when to begin entering the deep sleep stages at the right time. Second, a cool room. Remember, deep sleep requires a drop in body temperature. If your room is too warm, your body resists this drop, hindering your entry into deep sleep. The ideal sleeping temperature is between 18-20 degrees Celsius, 64-68 degrees Fahrenheit. Third, total darkness. Light, especially the blue light emitted from screens, tricks the brain into thinking the day isn't over yet, thus stopping melatonin production. An hour or two before bed, dim the lights. Step away from your phone and TV, and give your brain a chance to realize that night has fallen. Fourth, don't ignore hunger, but don't overeat. Sleeping on an overly full stomach keeps the body busy with digestion instead of repair. However, sleeping while excessively hungry might wake you up due to a drop in blood sugar. A light snack containing complex carbohydrates or a banana might be helpful. Fifth, exercise, but at the right time. Daytime exercise promotes deep sleep at night. However, intense exercise immediately before bed raises body temperature and activates the nervous system, making it difficult to fall asleep. Conclusion: in the end, sleep is not the enemy of productivity. It is its most important partner. It is not wasted time. It is an investment in the future of your health. Every night as you close your eyes, an army of proteins and enzymes within your trillions of cells begins its arduous work. It rebuilds what has decayed, repairs what is broken, and protects the code of your existence from being lost. The next time you go to sleep, remember that you are not just going to bed. You are entering your personal repair factory. You are giving your cells the chance to live another day healthy and sound. That was our journey today on Human Truths TV Insight. We hope you enjoyed it and found it beneficial. If you liked the content, we kindly remind you of our invitation to subscribe to the channel and share this information with your loved ones. For the knowledge of health is not meant to be kept alone. Stay healthy and well, have pleasant dreams, and enjoy a deep sleep full of repair and renewal. Goodbye.